Hi friends, my name is Mahdi. Welcome to this video, and in this session I want to talk about the border-radius tag. Be with me. I post videos about HTML and CSS language. Thank you for subscribe to my YouTube channel. As I said, in this session I want to talk about the border-radius tag. I already made a video about the border tag and its types, and you can watch it. But in this session is for border-radius tag. This tag is for rounding the border of elements in web page. For example, I write the div tag and change its dimensions. Okay, I write this tag for you. Div opening and closing with a slash div. Okay, and I read the style tag, style opening and closing with a slash. Okay, div opening and closing. Okay, with, for example, 100 px and the height equals the 100 px2. Okay, and then I change the background color to blue. Okay, background dash color blue. I save it. I open my web browser. I refresh this page. Okay, this is my div tag. Okay, for example, we want to round the corners of the div tag. We can use border-radius in CSS language. Okay, I write this tag in here, border-radius. Okay, you must enter a value in here that is in px or as a percentage. For example, I write the value in here, 20 px. I save it. I open my web browser. I refresh this page. Okay, now you can see that's work. And for example, 50%. Okay, I save it. I open my web browser. I refresh this page. Now you can see my shape is circle. For example, if you want to round a certain side, you can use this tag that I say. I delete it. Okay, you can use the border dash top dash right dash radius tag if you want to round the top right corner. Okay, dash top dash right and 20 px. I save it. I open my web browser. I refresh this page. Now you can see that's work, and I can use the hover feature and transition tag. Div 2 dots hover opening and closing. Okay, I cut this and I paste that's here, and I write the transition tag. Okay, I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Sorry. Okay, now you can see that's very beautiful. We can use this tag for top left. Okay, I copy it. Okay, top left, and for bottom right in here. Okay, and for bottom right, left, sorry, left, I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Now you can see that's work. I copy it and I paste transition tag in here. Okay, border dash radius tag is very beautiful tag for web page. This session is over. Thanks for watching. You can support me by subscribing button, and goodbye.